Maria at Polk County Public Libraries, and today I'm going to show you some fun giraffe science. So you can stop by the Columbus or Saluda Library at any point this week and pick up a take and make kit that has all of the supplies to do this activity. Inside your kit, you're going to have a bunch of different things, but one of my favorite pieces of information is on a quarter piece of paper that looks just like this. We are redoing the children's library at the Columbus and Saluda libraries, and we want your help. So there's information about a contest that we're having where you get to help us pick out some of the things that are going to be in the children's area. So take a look at this and be sure to enter. All right, inside your kit, you have 2 paper towels, and this is going to be our giraffe skin. Okay, and you can feel that it's kind of bumpy. I have water in it now. And you also have 2 different colors of markers. And you either have a straw or an eyedropper. And we're going to use that to add water to our giraffe skin to make our spots spread out. All right, so we're going to set our eyedropper or our straw over to the side. You will need a small glass of water for this craft, or this experiment rather. It's not really a craft, it's an experiment. And we're going to talk about giraffe skin. So giraffes are very cool. They're like zebras in that zebras never have the same stripes. So it's like our fingerprints, and my fingerprints are different from Miss Jen's fingerprints, and those fingerprints are different from your fingerprints. So everybody has a unique set of fingerprints. Just like that, zebras have a unique set of stripes, and not all zebras have the same stripe pattern. And giraffes are very similar because giraffes have different spots. You may remember that giraffes actually have skin and fur, and their skin is actually a gray color. So it's not the pretty spotted part of the giraffe that we see. That's actually its fur coat, and it's very short fur. And the way that the spots are made on the fur is through capillary action. And we're going to talk about that today. But every giraffe has different spots. So my giraffe today is going to look different from your giraffe, and I can't wait to see what your giraffe looks like. Okay, so capillaries are the part of the giraffe that are going to give it 2 different types of spots. So we're going to have our darker spots and then our lighter color. And as a giraffe gets older, its spots get darker. So if you see a giraffe that has darker spots, that's an older giraffe. If it has lighter spots, it's a younger giraffe, or maybe even a baby giraffe. And capillaries are very cool because the capillary action allows liquid to flow into narrow spaces and give the fur on the giraffe those different color spots. So today I'm going to use 2 different colors of marker to represent the spots on the giraffe. And I'm going to color on my paper towel different spots. And you can make them fun spots because giraffe spots are not always perfect circles. They're different shapes. And when you touch the point of your marker to your paper towel, even before making a design, if you just touch it, you can see that the marker starts to spread out on the paper towel, which is pretty cool. And that's what happens with capillaries, is it just starts to spread out. When I add my other color to this, so I've got lots of spots that are pink, and I'm going to add some darker spots. These are going to be like a dark red color. And I'm going to color those in, being careful not to color too hard because it will rip my paper towel. But I'm going to put some spots around my pink ones, and then we're going to add some water to it to see what happens. Okay. I'm going to use my eyedropper or my straw. If you're using a straw, you're going to want to use the end of your finger to put on the end of the straw. That way you can suck up water into the straw and put it on your giraffe skin. And an eyedropper, you're going to squeeze the end of it to get water to suck up into the eyedropper, and you're going to squeeze it back out to let a drop of water come out. So I'm going to put a drop of water on all of my spots. I need to put some more water in my eyedropper. Here we go. You can really tell on those dark red ones where it has started spreading out. Okay, so I can either let this dry in the sunshine or let it dry inside, but you can see the colors of my giraffe skin. The colors are not bleeding together, they're staying separate, which is the cool capillary action I was talking about, but they scoot together just like giraffe spots do. So I hope you have fun with this activity and send us a picture of your finished product.